Hello, beautiful souls. I'm just giving you a quick insight to some iPad improvisational costume or fashion sketching using an inspiration of a black bird and kind of combining it with a samba costume kind of vibe. I created a headdress, used a pencil tool on my iPad, and I did this all with my finger. I call this finger sketching. I like the groundedness of using my finger rather than a slippery stylus. I can make notes. I can, have thicker, darker, lighter lines. If you look close, you'll see how beautiful this pencil tool is in this app. I also use a gouache tool where I can fill shapes with flat color, and you can see that that's how I'm creating shadows. Shadows is a technique all my courses cover a lot, because when you start to really understand how shading works, you can create depth and layers in your illustrations, as you can see happening here, which even from a design standpoint just helps you organize the different pieces in your design sketches. This is my finished sketch, and I hope it inspires you to come study with me. I'll leave my web address here.